Hi everyone, welcome to the GCSE Mathematics course. My name is Jabed Chowdhury. So first of all, I just want to say congratulations on taking part in this course. This course is for all those who are taking the GCSE Mathematics exam. This is a comprehensive course, so all the topics that are assessed in the GCSE Mathematics exams are covered within this course. The contents of this course is not specific to any examination board such as OCR, AQA, Edexcel, etc. After the completion of this course, you can sit any exams from any examination boards for GCSE Mathematics. Let's begin by looking at what topics are covered within this course. So there are 7 sections. The first section is titled Numbers. The second section is titled Algebra. Third section is on Graphs. Fourth section is on Measures and Geometry. The fifth section is on Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry. And the sixth and the seventh sections are probability and statistics. So within each section, there are many chapters. Okay, so in the first section, there are 9 chapters. In the second section, there are 16 chapters. The third section, there are 6 chapters. Fourth section, there are 2 main chapters, but each chapters have subsections within them. The fifth section, there are 3 chapters: Pythagoras theorem, trigonometry, and vectors. The sixth chapter is on probability. Okay, so we have the sixth section, there are 2 chapters: probability basics and relative frequency. And on the final section, which is titled statistics, there are also 2 chapters titled statistics basics and histogram and frequency density. So for this entire course, I would definitely recommend going through each section, starting from section 1. But if you are already familiar with some of the chapters within section 1, then you are welcome to go through those individual chapters as you will. But I don't really recommend skipping too many lessons. Even in the lessons that, let's say that you're already familiar with, you may come across certain methods or techniques that you may not already know. The second advice that I would give in exploring this course is practice the examples shown in the lessons on your own. It is often that once a student sees a teacher or a lecturer going through a problem, it may seem really easy because the way the teacher is showing it, but once they go to practice the problem themselves, it is not so easy. Okay, so even if an example looks easy when you're going through the course, make sure you do it, you practice it yourself, just to make sure that you are comfortable with the example, and you are also comfortable with the steps involved in the examples. Attempt the exercise questions set at the end of each lesson. This is very important. So before moving on to the next chapter or the next section, make sure that you are that you attempt all the questions that have been set. Okay, this is really good practice, and that's one of the main things of mastering mathematics or becoming really good at mathematics is practicing questions. Okay, that's what usually sets apart students who achieve really high marks compared to the students who get lower marks. Is that the key difference is that the students who get higher marks, they do a lot of practice questions. But I do give a reminder at the end of each chapter to make sure that you follow these um, steps. The videos in this course have been recorded at a steady pace, but you are welcome to speed up the videos at least 1.5 speed, okay, to watch it. Especially if English is your first language and you're comfortable with the language and with the material, then you're welcome to just watch at a faster speed. But anything faster than 1.5, I think, becomes too fast, and maybe some important information will get skipped. Okay, so 1.5 is a good speed rate to watch the lectures. Okay. And of course, you are welcome to email me any questions that you may have. So if that is regarding any specific topics, regarding any specific lectures, any specific exercise questions, or whatever it may be, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, just send an email, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And finally, once you have completed the course, I'd really appreciate it if you can leave a feedback on the course. So anything that can be improved on the course, anything that it doesn't have to be positive. It could be positive or negative. So anything that we can improve, anything that you found beneficial, and that will help the future generation of students who take the course. Okay, so your feedback will be really appreciated. Okay, so that is everything that I wanted to cover in this introduction. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin the course. I look forward to seeing you in the first lecture. Take care.